Now start the recording sessions for budget implementations and their preparations along with their preparations. Now share the today's session screen to all of you. With this screen, we have to start the today's new topic, that is budget preparation and implementations. All of you know what is mean by budget. Every time Government of India in the month of February, March, they prepare the whole budget of our country, how many 1 rupees how to collect and 1 rupees how to expend for the services of our countries. Collections and expenses. That are the during the preparation of budget, these parameters are considered. Income source as well as some expenses along with some savings for the futures. This is a part of budget. And for that part, income, how income collected and how from collected incomes, we have to expend the particular expenses to the particular business. Here, the proper business is hospital services. Here in the pharmacy practice, hospital services is the whatever the services provided by the hospitals, that services you have to count it as income, and what are the expenditures required for the giving that particular services. That is called as expenses. For that services and whatever the services provided by hospitals, they charge or expense to the concerned doctor, nurse, pharmacy. These are the expenses who serve the particular hospitals, like salaries of that particular servicemen who serve the hospitals. Here generally nurse, hospital doctor staff, medical staffs, professional staffs, PROs, pharmacy officers, all are service provider for the hospitals. And hospital administrator give the salary as a part of expense of that particular hospitals. And whatever the services given by this medical staffs and non-professional staffs, they charge to the patients, and whatever the charges apply, that is called as income. Here there is one images related with the income, saving and expenses. Whenever you prepare the budget and whatever the prepare budget, that implemented in the form of how income collected from the whatever the services given by the concerned hospitals or concerned pharmacy stores, what are the expenses required for that services, and apart from the difference between income and expenditures, whatever the remainings are called as savings ones in the form of money or in the form of some bonds. You have to maintain the savings which is used for the future managements. Here another budget picture is there is a bars, up bar, sometimes down, up and downs are occurs. Green is income profitables, and red one arrow is income loss. Whatever the profit and loss, that come under the budgets. As for your syllabus is concerned, these are the contents of your budget preparations and implementations. First of all, you have to take the what is the definition of budget, their objective. As per your syllabus is concerned, only give the name budget preparations and budget implement and their implementation. Only the part. According to the budget preparations and their implementation, these are the some parts which is essential in the budget preparation and implementation. First is what is budget. It is related with the whatever the hospital services with the help of administrators, governing bodies. They find out the budget for particular services, their income as well as their expenditures. That is called as definition of budget. Behind the preparation of budget and their implementation, what are the objectives? behind the preparation of budgets and their implementations, and what are the advantages related to the budget preparations and their implementations. Again, what is meant by budget, then find out their different types of budgets and their implementations of budget. And lastly, after preparation and implementation, some factors affect the budget preparation. Either whatever the preparation of budget is right or not wrong. What are the factors are responsible? We have to see in these segments. After finishing with this topic, budget preparation and implementations, you have to know about the budgets and its types along with their objective and various advantage of budget preparations and implementations. Then secondly, you have to know about the preparation of budget and their implementation of the budget. Whatever the prepared budget, you have to prepare various parameters you have to consider during the preparation of budget. After preparation of budget, their implementation you have to know after completion of this topic. And finally, various factors which affect on the budget preparation as well as their implementations. That parameter you have to know or learn after finishing of this topic, budget preparation and implementation. Everyone know what is budget, everyone know how will you prepare, everyone know their implementations. आप अभी फाइनल ईयर में है, those are live in the form of rent here by acquiring particular rooms. There is a some monthly budget given by your parents. For examples, one candidate live in a hostel with one room. The cost of hostel is around 1,500 rupees approximately per room or per candidate, along with plus mess charges around 100 and 1,500, plus the breakfast budget of concerned candidate approximately in the month near about 10 rupees per day, along with tea plus tea 5 rupees or 10 rupees, means 20 rupees minimum breakfast along with tea. So monthly budget is 600, means these are the budget, monthly budget if any candidate live in the room near about 300 and 3,300 is minimum requirement. This budget you have to came from your parent pockets towards your pocket, that is the income of your, and whatever the expenditures like hostel fees, mess fees, breakfast and tea fees, along with some stationery is required during your academic sessions, that could be included in the part of your pocket money. That is called nothing but it's a simple language. This is a budget. कितना आ रहा है, कितना खर्च हो रहा है, वो प्लस माइनस अपने को ध्यान में रखने का है. Let's move with the actual part of your syllabus. That is budget. If any program you have to identify to run smoothly, it requires their budgeting. In that is, the budgeting is the one of the important parameter while any program you have to do. Without budgeting, the program is completely fail. For example, any you guys after final years, after final year completions, anyone go with the hospital pharmacy or community pharmacy. So when you start the community pharmacy, it requires some amount of finance before starting the community pharmacy or hospital pharmacy. That management is essential, or that type of budgeting is essential before the starting or before the starting of any programs. Here example is hospital pharmacy or community pharmacy. Only finance gives 6 lakhs, 5 lakhs. That finance also under control. Whatever the expenses occur during the starting of new hospital pharmacy or community pharmacy stores, along with whatever the budget, you have to find out whatever the requirement of finance, you have to control over that expenses. Unwanted, unnecessary expenses you have to avoid or control. That systems are generally implemented while any programs you have to start. There is a strategic plannings for the running of or implementation of the new uh, businesses. For any type of business, it requires finance. And there are, it is called nothing but in short, budget नहीं है मेरे पास, ऐसा कभी कभी आता है, मेरे पॉकेट मनी खत्म हो गया है, there is no extra money to spend, parties of your friends,